In the meantime, let's break reactions that are now coming in from other political parties. As Soumit continues to be with us, Congress party is reacting and attacking the BJP over Tirupati Prasadam Rao. And this is how, when it comes to the leaders of the Congress party, have been reacting and also seeking for a thorough investigation.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी और वहाँ की सरकार दोनों एक साथ खड़ी है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी को ना बीफ से दिलचस्पी है, ना धर्म से दिलचस्पी है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी देश के लोगों के जज्बात के साथ खिलवाड़ करती है। अगर बीफ की चर्बी ऐसे पवित्र जगह पर मिला के लड्डू बनाए जा रहे हैं, मैं कहूँगा प्रधानमंत्री को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए, मुख्यमंत्री को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए। ये तो करोड़ों लोगों की आस्था का सवाल है।
Well, the Congress directly now asking and seeking for resignations there. But Soumit, is there a time period as far as when those ingredients were used? For how long did this exercise or this practice continued? And were the people there who were involved in the making of the prasadam aware that some other materials or something adulterated is being used when it comes to making of the prasadam?
Well, Amita, it's for sure that because priests are involved in making, and also the people who are directly connected to the temple, they are involved in making the laddus. And very auspicious, that is considered very auspicious by the devotees and also by the people who make it, by the priests who offer it to the even Lord Venkateshwara. And for sure, I can tell you this with my experience that, no one would have known that, this adulterated ghee was served until and unless even TTD enforcement officer, even TTD top brass, after, Chandrababu Naidu has formed the government, the officers have been changed, including the additional EO, including the EO. Even they didn't know that adulterated ghee was served. They sent the samples to the National Dairy Development Board, and then after testing, they took around 5 to 7 days for testing each and every sample. There were around 5 to 6 samples tested, and even in the findings, they have, the findings are sent back to the TTD lab, and then they, to their shock, they found that foreign fat was mixed up with the ghee. And one of the vendor, not all the vendors, but only just one vendor who was, he was actually supplying this adulterated ghee to the TTD. And even immediately after that, probe was initiated, a team was constituted, and they will be probing into this matter. So before this, no one, for sure, even no one would have any information until and unless the top, board members of the previous
government, they might have any as Soumit is getting us the information, the Devasthanam or the board itself has also instituted a committee to investigate when it comes to all of those allegations that have been leveled. In the meantime, we also talk about the VHP or the Vishwa Hindu Parishad here, which has also demanded an investigation into the incident. Let's in the meantime listen in to the reactions that are now coming in from the organization.
हम मांग करते हैं कि इस घटना की एक पूरी तरह से निष्पक्ष जांच होनी चाहिए और न सिर्फ इस प्रकार के घृणित और कुकृत्यों पर रोक लगनी चाहिए, बल्कि जो व्यक्ति या अधिकारी इस प्रकार के निर्णय लेने और उनको क्रियान्वित करने के लिए जिम्मेदार हैं, उत्तरदायी हैं, उनके विरुद्ध आपराधिक कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए और उनको सजा होनी चाहिए।
I was deeply shocked looking at the reports and the news that have come out yesterday. And as a person who visits Tirupati almost 3 to 4 times a year, so this is not a place where I want to do any politics and give any political statement. But somewhere if it has gone wrong, we have to dig deep, we have to find where the fault lies, and definitely we need to set it right. And we not only set it right, whoever has done this mischief, definitely the heads are rolled.
Well, this is how, as far as the political reactions that have been coming in, because many of them have been calling it as a breach of trust for millions of Hindus, the devotees there, as far as this revered mandir is concerned of Lord Venkateshwara, and the very famous Tirupati laddus. Was it, as far as its purity is concerned, compromised in a way? Because as far as the TDP and the Chief Minister has been claiming that there has been adulteration that has been reported as far as the certain lab reports are concerned, which